Dear students, now we will discuss about third colligative property, that is depression in freezing point. Depression in freezing point. The derivation of depression in freezing point is same as elevation in boiling point. There the subscript was B, but in this case, in freezing point, the subscript is F. Subscript is F. The other derivation is same. Now, when a non-volatile solute is added in pure solvent, when a non-volatile solute is added in pure solvent, the vapor pressure of solution becomes lower than pure solvent. This results in depression in freezing point. Now, what is freezing point? As you know that during freezing, a liquid is converted to solid. So, vapor pressure of liquid will be correlated with vapor pressure of solid. So, definition of freezing point will be the temperature at which the vapor pressure of liquid becomes equal to solid is called freezing point. Now, what is freezing point? Vapor pressure of liquid becomes equal to vapor pressure of solid. Now we can draw a graph to study the relation between vapor pressure and temperature for freezing point. We can have this kind of graph in which you can see that after the addition of solute, the freezing point is decreased. Let TF0 be freezing point of pure solvent and TF freezing point of solution. Then depression in freezing point is equal to delta TF equal to TF0 minus TF. Now we will correlate the depression in freezing point with molar mass. We know that depression in freezing point is directly proportional to molality of solution. Delta TF is equal to KF into M. Now, in case of elevation in boiling point, the constant was KB. Here we are taking KF because we are talking about freezing point. So the subscript is F. There the subscript was B because we were talking about boiling point. Now we are placing the values of molality. So we get WA upon MA 1000 upon WB. Now what are the units of KF? The units of KF are similar to units of KB, Kelvin kilogram per mole. The KF is known as molar depression constant or cryoscopic constant, where molar elevation constant was known as where KB was known as molar elevation constant and ebullioscopic constant. We are naming the KF as molar depression constant or cryoscopic constant. How KF is calculated? KF is calculated similar to KB by one half equation, that is KF equals to MRTF square 1000 delta HF, where M is molar mass, R is gas constant, TF is freezing point of solution, delta HF is heat of fusion.